Welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can view all of your boards. It's a bit trickier, especially if you are in the new UI and you want to understand how to actually view all of the boards. So you actually click on the search bar right here and you click on boards, and your boards are actually right here. So from here you can see all the boards that are basically shared with you, and you will actually know when something is being shared with you if you have a specific filter that has been shared with you, because filters are just the boards are visual representation of the filters. That's all. That's basically everything that you actually need to know about how to actually find your boards. And also, of course, from here you actually have an option to create the board. You choose either the Scrum or the Kanban. You also have some of the sample data. You can choose the space, and you can also choose the user as well. And here you can see who are the admins. You can see the name of the board. When you actually click on it, well, for this one it showed me like something went wrong, and for this one, yeah, but for here I can actually access it. So that also means that you need to have the access to it, because even though this board is actually private right here, it's still being shown, and it's still being shown who the admin actually is. But overall, that is how you can actually see the boards in here, because the boards are not being actually shown in here. So it's on the search bar, you click on the boards, and you can actually indeed see all of them. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya.